Hey everyone, this is Steven with Digital Marketing in a Flash, coming to you with yet another video. Today we're going to discuss another tool that I use extensively, mainly for my cold outreach and customer research. It is called Email Hunter, and it is a Chrome extension. So if you do go into Google, type in Email Hunter. The problem that I've noticed with the Email Hunter is that when you do type it into Google, it doesn't bring it up, and it brings up a hunter.io email extension. So if you go into the Chrome store itself, hit enter, it's going to bring up a list of extensions. Go to the top, click on more extensions, and it's the fourth one down. This particular Chrome extension is by Alexander, and this is the one that I found to be the best and the most useful for searching for email addresses. So once again, you go click on the extension. Once that's added, we could go to any website. Let's go to the local lawyer website near us. We're going to click on the website. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the Chrome extension. And what it does is it actually scrapes this whole entire website to see which emails are available. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, or leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date on our latest tutorials. That's it for now. Have a great day.